In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to hit Gestures. Select one-handed mode over here and use gray switcher next to use one-handed mode to activate it if you are using gesture navigation. Click on Full Screen into Reach and swipe down from the bottom edge of your screen to enter one-handed mode. If you want to go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same No Blue switcher. If you want to use one-handed mode, but you are using 3 buttons navigation, this option will be unavailable to you. To still use one-handed mode though, scroll all the way down and use gray switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then hit Got It and tap on this shortcut over here to enter one-handed mode and exit one-handed mode. You can also click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same No Blue switcher. If you want to learn more about one-handed mode shortcut, enable it, hit Got It, and tap on this option on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!